Hi guys, this is Raman Gupta continuing my Docker series blog post. In this video today we will understand the Docker file structure so first of all open the Docker example custom images repository in Visual Studio Code. You must have noticed for a Docker based solution there are few Docker related files and folders added. Let's understand this file structure. So first of all, the Docker folder which contains 4 subfolder. First of them is build. The Docker build folder contains file and folders to support Docker development and contains each of the Sitecore services topologies. Within each topology in the Docker build folder, you will find a Docker file to create a Sitecore runtime image for each container. Open the Docker file for the CM or CD service. This Docker file is example of using the build artifacts from your solution image. Even if you don't have any customization at present, this is recommended to have dedicated Docker file to make hotfixes or future customization. Next we have data folder which contains running containers, logs, etc. Then the deploy folder where we can deploy solution files during development to this folder. So we will talk about this folder at the later videos. Traffic, this folder contains traffic certs related informations. Then we have the source folder which contains the solution code files. You can see Xconnect and the website for codes. Then we have .env file which contains values that represents the default values for any environment variables referenced in the compose file. Then we have the various compose files and compose override file for different topologies. Compose file is used by the Docker compose command. It contains informations about the containers and their configuration. And the Docker compose override YML extends the main compose file with overrides and extensions necessary for a custom Sitecore image build and development purposes. For any Docker compose command such as docker compose upd, the Docker compose override file is automatically included along with your main Docker compose file. Next we have the Docker file which contains instruction that Docker uses to assemble a Docker image and run it. The Docker file commands are step-by-step recipe for how to build up your image. Then we have init PowerShell script which is to initialize and fill the environment file. It is used to automate the other steps as well, like install Docker tools or install mkcerts, etc. So that's it. We'll see the Docker build in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.